Papatuloy ng pool party sa bahay ni Kuya.
You wanna kiss me?
Sarap. Some of the housemates sort of got uncomfortable or weirded out by what they were doing. I don't think they're used to seeing two drunk people being that close with each other.
There's the time that they are not controlled.
Yeah. And then now, I think they're okay. Pero I think mamaya, more...
First time kong nakita sa kanilang dalawa yun po, kuya. Kaya medyo nasyak ako doon sa nakita ko.
Ilang saglit pa ay muling nag-swimming ang dalawa.
What happened to them?
They understand more than I do. They're older than I am. And they have more experience. And they're a lot wiser than I am. We were all drinking pretty hard. Me included. If it's okay with Andre, and it's okay with Lou, then I'm fine with it.
First time nila yun nangyari dito.
It's my first time to saw them.
Oh my God.
Should I stop? Should I?
Should stop them.
I want also, but I don't like. Ayokong maging masama sa kanilang dalawa kasi
Maybe
they adult already. They have own decision. But if it's over, I want to stop.
Now.
Not now, later.
Yeah, di ba?
Kailangan ko silang pigilan kasi ayokong hayaan lang silang ganun.
Si Mary Grace ay mukhang hindi na napigilang lapitan ang dalawa.
I'm your big sister. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it while it's too early! It's too early! It's too early!